Hey everyone, welcome to RomaxHub. In today's video, the first in our YouTubeAtoZ series, we're answering one simple but powerful question. What is YouTube, and why should you start a channel? YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform, with over 2.7 billion users watching content every single month. From tech tips and tutorials to travel vlogs and cooking hacks, YouTube has space for everyone. But the big question is, why should you start a YouTube channel? Here are 5 powerful reasons. Share your passion with the world, whatever it may be. Build a personal brand or promote your business. Earn money through ads, affiliate links, and sponsors. How to reach a global audience? 24/7.5. Learn valuable skills like video editing, communication, and creativity. And guess what? You don't need fancy cameras or a studio, just a phone, free software, and a willingness to share your voice. So, what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube journey today, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode, where we'll talk about how to choose the best niche for your YouTube channel.